Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to be telling you guys how to upload images into Google Bard AI. So just a quick summary, Google Bard AI is Google's AI linguistics platform. Think of it like ChatGPT, except this one is by Google. So if you weren't sure, you can actually upload images into Google Bard AI and have Bard AI transcribe those images for you. So instead of making a super lengthy word text prompt, you can simply upload an image of your choice and have Google Bard AI do the rest. So to start things off, on the lower left corner of the Google AI prompt, you'll see a blue plus mark. Go ahead and click on it, and from there, you'll be able to see the option to upload a file. Now, as you can see, the file could either be any sort of JPEG, PNG, or WebVD kind of file. Additionally, after uploading a file or image of your choosing, you can also choose to write a text prompt which accompanies this image file. So for example, we've uploaded an image we wish Google AI to transcribe and create a prompt out of. Then, our text prompt is to describe the image I've uploaded and create social media captions for Instagram. As you can see, instead of simply asking for captions from Instagram, we are asking for captions with a file for the Google AI's reference. And that is just one simple way of using Google Bard AI while uploading an image alongside a text prompt. The features and use cases of these AI tools are literally endless. And that's really all there is to using Google Bard AI with uploading an image for a prompt. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other questions or inquiries, feel free to leave them down in the comment below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.